Ever pondered about the journey of the meat you consume, from the farm to your kitchen? Let's begin at the farm, where the birth of meat takes place. Here, animals are brought into the world, cared for and nurtured to ensure their healthy growth. The process starts with breeding, a carefully managed practice to ensure a strong and healthy lineage. The animals are then fed a balanced diet, tailored to their specific needs. This isn't just about filling their bellies, but about providing the right nutrients in the right proportions. From proteins to vitamins, each meal is designed to promote growth and vitality. The environment too plays a crucial role. Clean, roomy living areas reduce stress and disease, encouraging healthier growth. Regular checkups and preventive care are also part of the routine, ensuring the animals are in prime condition. Once they reach the right size and weight, it's time for the next step in the meat's journey. Next, we move from the peaceful farm to the hustle and bustle of the slaughterhouse. The journey from farm to slaughterhouse is a critical part of the process, with the goal to minimize stress for the animals. Animals are transported in specialized vehicles designed to ensure comfort and safety. Upon arrival at the slaughterhouse, the animals are allowed to rest, to further reduce any stress. The slaughter process is designed to be as humane as possible. It typically begins with stunning, a quick, painless procedure that renders the animal unconscious. From there, the animal is bled out, a process that ensures a swift and painless end. This stage is both a beginning and an end. It's the end of the animal's journey from the farm, but it's also the beginning of the meat's journey to your kitchen. Once the animal is slaughtered, the meat processing truly begins. Welcome to the world of meat processing and packaging. This is where the magic happens, where the meat we know and love begins to take shape. First off, we have carcass dressing. This isn't a fashion statement, it's the process of removing the animal's skin, internal organs, and bones. It's a meticulous procedure that requires skilled hands and a keen eye for detail. Once the dressing is complete, the carcass is divided into manageable cuts. This is where those juicy steaks, succulent chops, and hearty roasts come from. Each cut is carefully crafted by experienced butchers, ensuring the meat you receive is of the highest quality. But the journey doesn't stop there. The meat is then packaged and stored to maintain freshness. You might wonder how exactly that's done. Well, the answer lies in vacuum sealing and temperature control. Vacuum sealing is a method that removes air surrounding the meat, thus preventing the growth of bacteria. This ensures that the meat stays fresh for a longer period. On the other hand, temperature control involves maintaining a constant, low temperature to inhibit bacterial growth, further ensuring the meat's freshness. So, the next time you pick up that vacuum-sealed package of steak, remember the journey it's been on. From the carcass dressing to the division into cuts, to the careful packaging and storage, it's been a journey of precision, care, and attention to detail. Now that the meat is ready, it's time for it to make its way to your local store. The final leg of the journey takes us from the store to your kitchen. After the meat is processed and packaged, it's time to transport it to grocery stores and supermarkets. This process is critical because maintaining the cold chain is essential to ensure the quality of the meat. Trucks equipped with refrigeration units are used to transport the meat, keeping it at a constant low temperature. This not only helps to keep the meat fresh, but also prevents the growth of harmful bacteria. Once the meat arrives at the grocery store or supermarket, it's placed in coolers and freezers, again keeping it at the right temperature until you, the consumer, are ready to take it home. Now let's talk about how you should select and store meat at home. When selecting meat, always check the use-by date. This is a good indicator of how fresh the meat is. Once you've made your selection, it's important to get the meat home and into your refrigerator as quickly as possible. This helps to maintain the quality of the meat. At home, you should store your meat in the refrigerator at a temperature below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. This keeps the meat in a safe temperature zone and helps to slow the growth of bacteria. And there you have it, the full journey of your meat from the farm to your kitchen. Subscribe to this channel for more content.